Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of my Fabfitfun box. I just hit myself in the head. So if you guys want to see what I got inside my summer Fabfitfun, then keep watching. Before we get into the unboxing, first I just want to let you know that this makeup tutorial is coming in August. I'm doing a lot of pre-filming on my makeup tutorials. I'm like prioritizing on them first and then doing like fun videos like my Fabfitfun unboxings like second kind of thing. So I'm getting my makeup tutorials done. This will be up in August. I'll leave the date here. Second, if you don't know what Fabfitfun is, it is a seasonal subscription service and it is $49.99 a month. I'm pretty sure it is. So with shipping, handling, and tax, it's a little over $50. And I know that's kind of pricey, but honestly, it is so worth it. I've gotten so many really amazing products in these boxes, and I just love it. I think it's a really, really good subscription service, and I'll have a link down below if you guys want to check it out and sign up. This is the summer box. Every box is always really pretty. This is what the inside of the box looks like as I like almost attack myself. So I got the box on Saturday. It is Wednesday as I'm filming this. I took everything out of the plastic wrappings and all that stuff, and I have been using one product and I'll let you guys know what that is. So inside every box you always get a little magazine. This month has Eva Longoria on it, and then inside of the magazine it always just gives you a little description on what the products are that you're picking. It tells you the prices and what the total value of your box is. So the total value of this box could be anywhere between $270 to pretty much like $470. And that honestly just depends on what you pick. I'm going to start out with the products that I was able to choose. And I feel like the selections for summer were pretty disappointing, and I'll tell you like what they were. There was just a lot more, I feel like, home items, and like I don't have my own house, so there's no point in me picking them, if that makes sense. And it's just things that I know we don't need in my house right now. So that was just like one bummer. When you go on Fabfitfun, when they have like their selection day, there's different groups. So the first group of items that I was able to choose were a mini blow dryer, a lotus towel, or a kimono, and I chose the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream and Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. This retails for $45, and I'm really excited for this one because I'm running out of shower gel as we speak, so this came just in time. And I've always wanted to try this. I always hear people talk about it. I think a lot of people get in what BoxyCharm, so I'm excited. I would never spend $45 on any of this, so that's cool that I got it in this box. It's pretty much the price of the box at this point. The shower gel smells so good. It smells like coconut, and the cream, I really like the packaging. I think it's really nice, and it's got like this little plastic cover thing. And this had a really nice texture because I accidentally got some on my hands, and it smells really, really good too. So I'm very excited for these products. Probably like stay tuned for an empties video or just my Instagram, and I'll let you guys know how they're going. So for the next group of choices, I was able to choose a West Elm Indigo tie-dye bowls, sheet masks from 11 Skin. They were rose gold sheet masks, XO Sienna black felt letterboard, and I chose the Summer and Rose Navy diamond tote. This retails for $50, and I honestly chose the tote because the bag that I normally use to go to the beach is just getting really, really gross. So I thought this would be a nice beach bag. It has like nice little rope handles. It is a nice canvas material. It buttons here. There's a pocket on the side, and it's a pretty big tote. I will probably use this for work. As you guys know or don't know, I am a nanny, so my summer hours are starting now, so they are a little longer, so I have to bring like my lunch, and if I want to bring my bathing suit, I can throw that in here, and just like any activities that I want to do during the day or with the little girl at babysitter, or just for myself, because I do get there when she's still sleeping. So this is really good for that, and like I said, it's perfect for the beach. For the next set of choices, I was able to choose resistant bands or silicone wine glasses, and I chose a Jennifer Zeuner star double necklace. I just thought this necklace was really pretty. It retails for $50. I never really buy myself jewelry. It's really cute and dainty. I really like that. And it came in this really cute little like velour pouch. So I'm excited for this. I also just I have like a lot of kiddish jewelry because I'm 5 in my mind still. So like this is like a little more grown up in my opinion. And I just always like want to try to change up my jewelry, but I never do. So sometimes with Fabfitfun, I'm like, okay, I'm going to choose the jewelry option and try to wear it. And then for the next choices, I was able to choose an ICO London I Do Black Liquid Eyeliner, Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Style Cream, Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm, or a mystery item. So I chose the mystery item, and I've heard they're pretty hit or miss, but I'm actually pretty excited with mine. I got a Grown Alchemist hand cream with vanilla and orange peel. So this retails for $27, which is insane. I literally get hand cream for like $2, I think, at the store, but that's pretty cool. The mystery item was $24 and up, so like I said, this is $27. I really like the Grown Alchemist exfoliator that we got a couple boxes ago. So I hope I like this as well. This is what it looks like. It is pretty big. This is 2.19 fluid ounces. So it is a pretty good size bottle, I feel like. And it does, did I smell this or no? No, I didn't smell it because I haven't opened it yet. But it sounds like it'll smell good. Hand cream is just something I have all over the house. I have it in my room. I have it in 2 bathrooms. We have it by the kitchen sink. I always have some in my pocketbook. So I just love hand cream. And the little bag this came in was cute too. It's just like a little plastic drawstring with a little sticker that says mystery choice. And I totally forgot I chose this. Honestly, I forgot everything that I chose for my box. Normally I remember. Totally forgot this time. So next up are items that basically Fabfitfun chose for me. It's just one thing, I think, or two. I think it's one, just one thing. And it is the Coola Organic SPF 30 Makeup Sunscreen Spray. It sounds really nice. We got a Coola item in our box last year, I think for spring. And it was a moisturizer SPF thing, which is kind of hit or miss, but I'm excited for this. I actually am running out of all my setting sprays. So again, this came at perfect time as well. The bottle is really, really nice. This retails for $36, which I don't know if I'd buy this because it's only 1.5 fluid ounces, which is pretty small, but it is really nice packaging. So that's probably why. And this is cruelty-free, certified organic, vegan, water and sweat resistant. Interesting. Next are products that everyone got in their box for summer. So the first thing is the Invisibobble Original Duo Pack. I'm very excited for these because I've always wanted to try Invisibobbles, and these retail for $16 and you get 6. There's like a blonde side and then like a clear. That doesn't really bother me, but $16 for 6, that's insane. But they're supposed to be no tearing. They're traceless, high wear and comfort, hair loving, strong grip, non-soaking updo tool, and they're in the shades Crystal Clear and To Be or Not or Nude To Be. That's a cute name, but I'm really excited for these. $16 is crazy though, so I'm hoping they don't stretch out like normal hair ties do, because that happens way too often for me. The next product that everyone got in their box was the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. So this sounds really nice. It's packed with Davidson Plum. The purple mask works to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration. Always need anything that boosts hydration. It's good for refining, brightening, illuminating, and nature. I don't know what that means, but this just sounds fun, and I think it might be purple. I didn't open this either. But this sounds really, really nice, and this retails for $39. The next thing that everyone got is this Grace and Stella Rose Facial Spray. Again, it's like they knew I was running out of setting sprays, facial sprays. This retails for $25.95, and this is actually pretty big. This is 8.11 fluid ounces, so this might last you a long time. It actually is a little bit bigger than the Mario Badescu spray. I have it over here, and that's only 8 ounces, so this is 0.11 more. But this just sounds really, really nice. I love these sprays for my makeup to apply highlight. I love them for when I want to just add a little bit of moisture back to my face. They are amazing. Highly recommend these sprays. I'm sure you can get one of these cheaper at like Ulta or even on Amazon, but it's always just fun to get them in your Fabfitfun box as well. And the last product that everyone got, and the one that I have actually been using, I know, I never do that, but this is the one I've been using, and this is the Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask. I have actually been really liking this. My feet have actually been really, really soft and smooth. I put it on last night. I do put this on and then I put socks on. I know people are weird about sleeping with socks on, but I actually like to sleep with socks on. Don't judge me. This does retail for $32. It smells amazing. I think it works. It exfoliates, it polishes, soothes, and smooths. All you have to just do is put this on before bed, and then you wake up and rinse them off after 8 to 12 hours. So pretty much like when you're doing your morning routine is like when I rinse them off. I just take like a wet washcloth and just like scrub them. But this really does help smooth and soften as I feel my foot. I have just really bad feet. They're always like really rough, but I really like this so far. The total value on my box is $320.95. I think that this box is totally worth it. I'm so excited for everything that I got in here. Like I said a million times, make sure you're following me on Instagram so you can get little updates on these products, because I'll try to post some as I use them. And that is it for my summer Fabfitfun unboxing. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, and if you get Fabfitfun, let me know what you got for your summer box. I would love to know. Did we get some of the same things? Did you pick other things? Let me know. I would love to know. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Wait, before you go, I'm going to start doing shout outs on my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to my channel, leave a nice comment, or follow me on Twitter, because I'll have like tweets you can retweet there to get a shout out. So make sure you're subscribed, leave a nice comment, or follow me on Twitter. Either of those or a combination of both, and whoever pretty much like does it first will get a shout out. So this week's shout out is Raven. I'll leave all of her social media down below in the description box. She is awesome. She has a great YouTube channel, and you should go subscribe to her. And yeah, so that's really it for this week's video. Bye.